So coating thickness, you can see this is the coat meter. That coat meter that will be used to measure the thickness in microns, 70 microns, 60 micron. Even आपका LPG cylinder जो हम देखते हैं, actually that spray painting is done in LPG cylinder. Okay, so in that LPG cylinders also 3 layers are there. So I hope you are getting it. Is it clear? So you have to explain the procedure. Naresh, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the coating material may be zinc, aluminium, क्योंकि आपको low melting material चाहिए यहाँ पर, low melting point material. So zinc, aluminium, these are having very low melting point, and your substrate, that is base material, it will not be melted at that temperature. I hope all are getting it. So in next 5 or 10 minutes we will stop here. After so you can see the application. Now metal spraying. Metal spraying. Again, now here there are many modifications in this. Many modifications as per the requirement. So metal spraying, let me show you. I am sure you might have seen some of the such methods. Quickly let us see. Is it visible or that video?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. So you can see different engineering products are shown here, on which the coating will be deposited by metal spray. You can see the spray coating. So here this is your raw material. Okay, in the wire form it will come here, and then here inside it will be melted. The raw material, that is your coating material, it will be melted here, and then in the liquid form it will come out and it will be sprayed. It will be sprayed on and it will be deposited. So here whatever your plate is there, on that it will be deposited. Okay, and then you will be getting your required coating. So here you can observe the workpiece is rotated. Workpiece is rotated so that you can get the coating deposited on the entire product. So you can see internally what happens there now. Okay, the surface, base metal, it should have some rough texture so that the bonding will take place. So how that rough texture is obtained, that we will discuss later on. So here, this is your substrate, okay, at the micro level, and you can see the irregular surface finish. That is essential. Otherwise, if it is having good surface finish, what will happen?
The coating material will not stick with.
Yes, okay, bonding. Stick के जगह हम bonding word use करेंगे, Palendra. So bonding will not take place and interface will not be having good bonding. Okay, so how this irregular surface finish will be obtained, उसके लिए एक अलग process होता है. We will see that process before having that spraying of the material. Before spraying of the material, we achieve some rough texture. Even आप घर पे देखिए, that wall is there. Before applying the paint, एक सैंड पेपर से उसको यूज किया जाता है, सैंड पेपर यूज किया जाता है. यू माइट हैव पालेंद्र, है ना, सैंड पेपर से वॉल को रफ किया जाता है एंड देन द पेंट इज अप्लाइड. सो द पर्पज इज दैट देन द बॉन्डिंग विल बी इंक्रीज्ड. ओके, सो लेट अस सी नाउ. Let me show you.
They begin to cool and contract, forming a As the molten or semi-molten particles impact with the propellant surface, they begin to cool and contract, forming a strong mechanical bond with the substrate. The coating is built up in layers until the required thickness is reached.
You can see at the micro level, okay, through various microscope, it can be observed under the microscope also.